This is everything I ate today as an adolescent in pursuit of healthier living. For breakfast, I had a yogurt bowl with some applesauce, topped that with some frozen berries, and finished the bowl with the little cinnamon garnish on top. Mixed it all up and devoured that bowl. Went outside for a little bit to go look at the sun. It's always a healthy habit to do. Had some milk as a little pre-lunch snack. For lunch was a typical chicken salad with shredded parmesan. I wish they gave more cheese and some apples. Went on a run, came back, had some cheddar, some sauerkraut, some Edam cheese. Pops made some mean taco bowls today. Made some cilantro rice, some lean ground chicken. I topped that with like lettuce, avocado, sour cream, salsa, cabbage, all that good stuff. Chose these hot sauces today along with these leftover salsas from last night. This is always one of my favorite dinners. I absolutely destroy this bowl every single time. And I usually go for like leftovers too. After that, I made some grits. Just plain old grits, literally nothing else here. Just like straight up grits and water, not even salt or like sugar or anything. Just pure grits. Guess it really says something about my heritage. Fast forward 10 minutes to dessert. I just made a smoothie with a banana, some carrots, some milk, and a pear. Blended that up and that's all I ate today. James 4:8. Come near to God and he will come near to you. Wash your hands, you sinners, and purify your hearts, you double-minded. Remember to share your faith through your actions. And as always, have a blessed day.